So, we're rounding the corner on the end of the school year, and you're looking over your Schoology and you're saying to yourself, whoa, I have created a lot of stuff in this course. How am I going to keep this all with me and use it for next year? And this is only one course. There's 4 or 5 other courses that you've created as well. Have no fear. We're going to set this all up for you and make it easy to work it out. First, you're going to go into resources. What Schoology recommends is you go into your personal resources and you create a new file folder. They call it a collection, this box right here. So we're going to call this one Simple 1718 Backup Copy of a Science Course. We create that folder and then it lives right over here. And so we go back to our course where we were a moment ago, and we look for this option right here, quick and easy, and we save this entire course to resources. And instead of going to the home, you look to the place, the folder, the collection that we just created, 1718 Backup Copy of Science. There's no folder in there yet, but you could create one within there if you wanted to. I submit that. And while that's happening, let me remind you that this chart here shows you when you save things to this resource, you're not bringing with you all of the students' submissions. You're not bringing with you all the student grades. You're not bringing with you any teacher comments. This is all just left behind, and you get the things you've created. Now, let's say you're not going to be in this school anymore. Well, there's an easy way to package up everything in Schoology and move it somewhere else. Again, I go to Resources and Personal Resource. Once I'm there, I could take my course over here, and I can export the entire thing as a single file. And I can stash that file on Google Drive, or if you're a little bit suspicious of computers, you can just put it on a thumb drive. You export the whole course, you say which course you're trying to export, and it takes it and it builds that file for you, a single file that holds on to everything. It's going to be saved in a place called the transfer history, which is found here, and when you forget how to get that, then you can come over here to the little drop down menu by your name and find your transfer history, and that's where your backup copies have been downloaded and exported. This particular file format can be transferred to several other learning management systems, such as Blackboard and Canvas. Look into the specifics of those if you're moving into a different learning management system next year. And here's another way to make a backup copy of your course. So I have found myself here in the Resources folder, and I'm looking at the backup copy of my science course. What I've also done is I've created a group, and there's only 2 members of this group. They are me and myself. The other version of me in this group was created using the free and public version of Schoology at Schoology.com. I set up another account over there, and that account has a group with myself in it. See, here are the 2 members. And the way this works is I can take resources here and I can share them to my paid school account and vice versa. Let's see how that's done. I go back to my school account. I go to the resources that are personal, remember. I take my backup copy of my science course. Here's all the folders, and I take all of those and I want to copy them to another location. That location is the myself group resources. There's just a few folders in there already of other things that I've transferred. I can copy that, and for an entire course the process can take a couple of minutes, but now in my school course, in the resource area for the group called myself, I have a backup copy of my science course. Switching browsers and switching over to my private account, you will see that I also have a backup copy of the science course. I hope this helps. Good luck.